welcome. Isang welcome lang sa kanila. Kahit mga tig 5 seconds lang kayo. Joke lang.
Mga 2 hours to. Hello everyone! Thank you for coming and sorry I'm late, guys. Kamusta kayo? For those who came from other parts of the world, sorry. Thank you for coming. And, so, finally we're here! Ang tagal na namin to hinihintay, as in sobrang excited kami ni River that there's an Asper meet and greet! Oh my God! Wow! Ayun. Ang taas na.
Ayan, thank you guys for coming. Rinig namin na may galing pa sa Cebu, may galing pa sa Abu Dhabi. So maraming salamat for coming all the way here. At si AZ also, actually si AZ is not feeling well today, pero pinush niya pa rin. Siyempre to see all of you, and she didn't want to let anyone down. Kaya thank you AZ for coming. Thank you for pushing pa rin. Si AZ talaga fighter yan. Pati sa loob ng bahay,
Continue.
kahit naghihimatay na siya, kahit yung body niya nag-give up na ipupush niya pa rin para lang sa inyo. Kaya,
Oo nga. Actually, kulang. Yung munchkin. Naghahanap siya ng munchkin kanina. Sabi niya, AZ, sweets. Hinahanapan niya ako ng something sweet kanina.
Ako. Joke lang. Ayun, so thank you again for coming, guys. Let's have a good time today. And ayun, sana we get to meet each and every one of you. At ang tagal rin namin itong hinintay talaga. Finally, it's happening. And maraming salamat, guys. Love you guys.
Thank you, everyone. It's so nice to end this year with all of you. And of course, with River. That's my final duo!
Ayan.
Grabe, parang wala ka talagang sakit, girl, okay lang yan. Pero, di ba guys, napanood niyo yung video, di ba, na pag-i-invite nyo. Pero syempre, for your safety, di tayo magdudubet. Okay? Kasi nga, pero kasi, meron tayong beauty queen. May beauty queen. Tapos merong laging nanghaharana sa mga beauty queen this past few months. Tama ba?
Ano ba?
Ako, gusto ka lang. Parang last time sa Tigkalalag, grabing kilig namin doon.
Sample!
Ay,
Sample!
Sample.
okay lang ba?
Parang
Parang kaya mo rin. Kaya mo rin mag-duet.
Parang sige.
Anong song? 2030. Kaya mag-ipon na kayo para sa tickets, para sa concert namin ni AZ.
Ano yung alam niyo parehas na song? You've got a friend, hindi. Oh, pala. You Belong With Me, Taylor Swift.
Hingi na lang kami ng lyrics.
Ah,
totoo
Dahil
ba?
Christmas, oo. Dahil yan yung latest TikTok namin.
Latest TikTok namin.
Yes, oo.
Okay. Mistletoe?
Mistletoe ba or ano?
Anong title?
Ano ba yung ma-recommend nyo?
Christmas song. Ay, sorry, English pa dapat. Christmas song, guys.
OPM. Anong OPM na... Ano
Sana
yung
kayo
kinakanta mo lately?
Ano yung kakanto ko na lately? Miss.
Ay, nagre-record sila ng Miss Miss.
Kahel na langit daw, kahel na langit.
Kaya tinangit.
Oh, Miss Miss.
Miss, pwede naman.
Miss Miss.
Kahit alam mo yun. Alam mo yung Miss.
Pwede naman.
Sige, Miss, pwede.
Pwede naman.
Pwede
Pwede.
naman.
Pwede ba? Pwede naman, di ba? Alam.
Basahan mo, susundin mo.
Hindi ako nakapag-warm up.
Grabe.
Wala ba kayong mga
Actually,
kamay
nasa
dyan?
loob sila.
Ay, pwede pa. Ano pa ulit? Namiss ko ata yung ano. Kahit nasa panahon araw-araw ata. Parang, pati sa labas ng bahay, pag nakikita ko si AZ, laging may dalang Dunkin Donuts. Kaya,
Bigay naman kasi.
Baka naman. Thank you sa Dunkin.
Thank you.
Ay, yung...
Rena.
Paborito flavor ko pa talaga yung nasa pinakataas, no?
Ano po ka?
Ay!
Ito yung pinakain sa akin ni River nung mahihimatay ka.
Yes, ito yung nag-save sa ano, nagbigay ng buhay para kay AZ.
Kain na tayo. Here.
Ay! Ayan, parang may energy na si AZ, no? Water! Water! Okay guys, ayaw pa kumakain sila. Merong pinrepare na video ang ECAS for AZ and River. Kaya ba na nakaganyan? Or sobrang pawis na River. Sige. Ayan, tingin tayo sa Let's Drink everyone as we watch AZ and River's special video. Journey. AZ.
Remember this moment in the garden of the line.
I'm really grateful to be part of Cinematic Brothers. So, let's make
And they read off our names. The night it is like you knew our lives would never be the same.
Easy ay pagod ng maging matapang sa nangyayari.
How are you? Are you okay? Long live walls we crash through, underneath the light shine, just me and you.
years of your thoughts, especially after losing Nasir Islas, sabi na nila na
Least desirable, puso, kadugo, AZ, and
River. Feeling ko sa
being a gentle giant. Go with you. You'll stand by me forever. God Kuya, being nominated, it's so take na ayoko po talaga mag-aayos. I really want to stay. Para din sa new version. Congratulations! Also save the night. And pray, Kuya.
Ang laban namin talaga ay hindi para sa amin sarili, pero sa charity na pinili namin.
Kasi sa akin na we are a blessing to others, Kuya.
There was no way we were going to give up. Absolutely no way talaga. I'm fighting for Easy because I believe she also deserves this one. Laban hanggang sa dulo. Now what's next?
Thank you for our duo.
Having my dad was pushing us so much for us.
Kasi nag-ano sa Kuya ka. Ang dami na sa
Thank you, Dave.
Ayan. Any message muna dun sa...
Grabe yung video. It was nice to watch the video kasi nare-reminisce namin at we get to look back yung journey namin sa loob ng bahay. And never namin na-expect kung ano mangyayari sa loob, kung ano yung outcome. But then ako, no regrets. I'm so happy na naging ka-final duo ko si AZ dun sa loob ng bahay. And hindi lang doon, pero pati dito sa labas, ramdam na ramdam ko rin yung pagka-final duo namin. Hindi lang sa mga events, sa mga guestings, pero we still get to see each other, nagka-hangout pa rin kami, we ask each other how each other is. And so parang yung support na binibigay namin sa loob, pati dito sa labas, pareho pa rin. And we both stuck to our words na we'll be there to protect each other, even in the outside world. And actually, kayo talaga eh. Kayo yung nilook forward namin sa loob ng bahay na ma-meet kayong lahat. Kasi doon sa loob ng bahay, lagi namin sinasabi ay hindi to para sa amin. Para sa inyo to, para sa mga tatay namin to, para sa mga pamilya namin to. It was never about us. It was always about you guys. Kaya I'm so happy na finally today is the day na we get to meet each and every one of you guys, sa mga sumuporta sa amin, sa mga bumoto sa amin. I-reimburse na lang ni AZ yung mga votes nyo, kaya compile nyo na lang.
Hindi ko kaya. Mas kaya niya po.
Hindi, pero ayun, it's so nice to see the journey we went through. Simula pa lang to. Marami pa tayong pagdadaanan at marami pang mangyayari and a lot to look forward to, especially sa 2026.
Ako naman, of course, thank you first and foremost sa Asver. Everyone, all of you, thank you for all of your efforts. For the video, ang ganda. You guys reminded us again of how yung mga pinagdaanan namin sa loob ng bahay. And up until now, I would still say na hindi ko pa rin ma-imagine yung journey ko sa loob ng bahay na yun if wala si River. He was, again, my calm. He was a rock inside the house. He was always there for me. And parang he's that person talaga that I would always run to. And he was always there. He would always talk to me and never talaga nagkulang si River. He was always above and beyond. Wow! Above and beyond! Hey guys! Pero ayun talaga. I've never met someone who had such a gentle heart. As in, very generous, very kind, and iniisip niya lang talaga yung other tao. Hindi niya iniisip yung other Oh my God, wait! I'm so sorry, cut that! Pero ayun guys, he barely thinks of himself, always about other people, and there's so much beauty sa tao na River I. Joseph. And ayun, when we were inside the house, we would always say na this is not for us, this is for the people supporting us, this is for our dads, this is for our family. Even though at that time, we weren't sure if there were people supporting us kasi di ba wala kaming alam. We would just assume. Pero we're so happy na we get to finally meet you guys. The people who voted for us, the people who was screaming for us and we had no idea about it kasi akala talaga namin, oh my God, wala ata nagmamahal sa atin, Riv. Walang sumisigaw sa pangalan natin, Riv. Ganon. But then when we went out, we saw so much videos na ang daming Asver signs, ang daming Centras, banners, and all of that. Wish we got to see all of that. Pero I'm so happy na we get to meet all of you now. And sobrang malaking blessing kayo sa amin. As in even here in the outside world, lagi kayo nandyan. And thank you for always being there for River also. Love you guys.
Thank you, Rock. Palakpakan naman natin si Mami Ida at si Mami B. Any message kay Easy and River mo?
Kami itong ginawa ninyo na meet the fans, no? From the food to all the booths, lahat ng pagkain na nakahanda dyan, no? And to all of you who have been has shown so much love for our children and for us also. Thank you, and I hope you will continue to support both of them.
Ayan na siya.
My God, it's a challenging day. But thank you, Lord. Thank you for taking care of Lizzie. And thank you for everyone for believing on them. Kasi kung wala kayo, wala din sila. You know, this is our journey. Not only our journey, but your journey also. All of us, our journey. Grabe na kayala natin, no? Sa iyak, sa lahat. Oh my God, hindi natin expected na magiging part sila ng dito. But we have got in us, and I believe na wala talaga yung posible sa kanila. Imagine na mahal talaga sila ni God. Grabe, mahal na mahal tayo ni God. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting them always. Thank you.
Thank you, Mami Ida. Thank you. Pwedeng photo op lang, mabilis lang po. Final duo with the moms. Yes, pero to further celebrate this occasion, we have prepared a cake for River. Yes, go! Ayan, tapos subuhan niyong isa't isa. Ayan, ayan. Ang sweet naman na magkapatid. Basag tinulo agad. Last na lang, syempre, we know that Asian River ay meron pang gagawin. Ayan.
Kasi hindi natin we can't run away from that. Kung ikaw, alam ko na you're a fighter eh. Fighter talaga tong si AC. Ever since kahit anong challenge comes in your way, alam kong kayang-kaya niya. And that's also because of her faith with God. I would like to say na you really brought me closer to God. You showed me the power of faith and what prayer can do. From the house, sa mga challenges natin, dun sa Big 4 job natin, yung kala ko mag-give up ka na, mahihimatay na, pero laban ka pa rin. And even dito sa outside world, kanina kahit hindi okay yung nakikita mo, push pa rin. And that's who AZ is. She's a fighter. She'll give her all just for other people. One of the most selfless people talaga na I know. And I'm so proud of all your achievements so far. Grabe yung endorsements nito. Grabe. I'm so happy and I'm so proud. Every time nakikita ko na nagkaka-endorsement si AZ or nagkaka-project, feeling ko parang winner na rin ako. Feeling ko parang ako rin nagkaroon ng endorsement. But then I'm just so happy and alam ko na tuloy-tuloy pa yan. Tuloy-tuloy pa yung mga endorsements, tuloy-tuloy pa yung mga projects. I'm really excited for not just the people, but the whole world to see what AZ Martinez can do. And I'm so happy talaga rin na pag check ko yung online, tapos nakikita ko ang daming sumusuporta kay AZ. I'm so happy kasi doon sa loob ng bahay talaga, parang yun rin yung sinasabi ni AZ sa akin na parang hindi niya alam kung may mga supporters siya sa labas, hindi niya alam kung may mga fans. Pero paglabas namin, at hanggang ngayon, grabe kayo. Thank you for supporting AZ sa lahat ng mga ganap niya, sa lahat ng events niya, projects niya. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Ayun, I'm so happy na I was able to find a final duo dito sa Outside World. Show? The Secrets of Hotel 88, guys, abangan niyo po yan. Feeling ko talaga you guys will fall in love sa character ni AZ. Grabe, sobrang exciting ang character ni AZ dito. Ayun, alam ko that's just the first of many. Marami pa yan, and I'm excited for what's in store for you, and I'll always be there to support you with anything. I'll always be here, and I'll always be your final duo.
Paano ko tatalunin yun?
Galingan mo.
Okay.
Sige.
Riff,
Okay na nga. Dito. Okay na. Kaya mo yan.
isip ko na magandang intro. Pero seryoso. Riv is one of the strongest, actually I would say most strong, sa lahat ng nakilala ko. Very selfless. And I also know how cruel the outside world has been. Just wanna say that I'm proud of you for still showing up, for still putting on that most beautiful smile. Yan, yung smile na yan talaga yung tinitingnan namin lahat housemates kay River kasi never nawala. Kahit sobrang naiiyak na si River, may smile pa rin yan. Kita niyo, umiiyak na siya. Yung smile na yan, wag mo yan aalisin. Because that's what makes River special. Yung heart niya, sobrang mabuti, sobrang ganda, sobrang... Iyak.
Pawis lang, pawis.
I'm so happy that you kept on fighting. Kahit ano man ang nasabi, nagawa, or ano man ang mga nangyari, you went through it. You fought all of those negativity, and here you are, glowing. yung all-star natin, MVP. Ikaw yung MVP namin. And, as in, grabe ka talaga, River. I can't explain how much the world deserves you. Kasi, those people who have met you are the luckiest people ever. Kaya kayo, nakikita niyo si River sa harap niyo, sobrang swerte niyo kasi ako, napapa-question pa rin ako, grabe ang swerte ko, no? Kaibigan ko si River Joseph.
Hindi lang kaibigan. Final duo.
And again, I'm also proud of your achievements. Sobra, as in sobra. I'm so happy whenever I see you post yung mga stories mo. Whenever nakikita kita kumakanta, I swear, I watch it all. I watch you do like that's a crowd. You smile so much and I'm so happy the world gets to finally see that in person. I hope that everyone will see more of you. We'll pray for that. And I'll make sure of that. May message ko lahat ng mga LGU. Kunin nyo na si River. But I'm so proud of you and knowing I'm always here. Still one call away. We'll never forget you. We'll never forget everything you've been through. I'm always here for you and always will be your final duo.
And ayun, thank you guys rin. Thank you. Alam namin na isang pamilya tayo dito. I'm so happy na we're all friends, lahat tayo, parang isang community tayo. And I'm so proud actually of Asver fans kasi sobrang bait ng Asver fans. Sobrang bait, sobrang respectful, and ayaw natin ng away. Kaya alam natin na may mga ibang groups rin sa labas. Kaya siguro as what we can do na lang is let's be respectful. Let's do good. Let's show good. And respect each other, respect the others. At sabay-sabay tayo magtulungan para umangat isa't isa. Joy hope. Yes, and
Again, we want to thank everyone for being here. Very grateful for all of you, as in, and sana may susunod pa. We're looking forward kasi there's still so much more to come for Asver. Like what River said, you'll fall in love not only with me, not only with him, but with the both of us.
At guys, alam ko na may sarili-sarili kayong buhay, may sarili-sarili kayong pinagdadaanan sa buhay. At we just want you to know na you can always pause and pray. You can always stop, take time, talk to God, reflect. I hope rin na you guys also find your final duo sa inyong buhay.
And something I learned from River also, always be full of love, kindness, be the better person. Kaya let's all love each other, especially yung core natin. Mahal natin sila lahat. Love you guys!
Love you, Izzy!